you straight eyes, looking to the Duke just the right time. Counting up hella bands, using my golf as a face fan. Taste of praying, that's my right hand. Niggas mobbing deep like a Taliban. Right now, I'm a Harlem boy, but Lil Yachty from Atlanta stand.
What up, OG Triple OGs? I'm back here with another video. Dab on. I'm back here with another video for you. So, today's video is going to be shoe unboxing. I'm so excited to show you guys these shoes. I recently ordered from GOAT. If you guys don't know what GOAT is a app or online store that you can buy shoes. You can buy them used, new, whatever, for a decent price. So we're gonna get into it. This is my first time ordering from them, and I'm gonna give you my personal opinion about the whole GOAT thing, and if you guys should order from them. This is my first time ordering from them, and let me tell you, it was the bomb. I didn't have no problem with shipping. Shipping took about 5 to 10 business days. Not too much, not too much. But with GOAT, if you order shoes, they do re-authenticate the shoe to make sure you're not getting fake shoes. So with me, today's unboxing is going to be on the shoes I have, and you guys gotta guess what shoes they are. So let's get into it. I'm excited because I've been wanting these shoes since forever. So this is the box that it came in. Well, this is the box that GOAT put in what's name, and then I'm going to show you the actual what's name. So let me get it out. Hopefully y'all don't see the box by the time I pull it out. So this box, this shoe is, oh my god, I had tried them on last night, and I swear to god, I just didn't want to take them off. So this shoe unboxing is about to be real. Guess what I got, y'all? I finally got me some Yeezys. Oh my god, y'all don't understand. I wanted Yeezy since the Red Octobers, and that was like 2014, 15, whatever. So this is the Yeezy Boost 350 B2 in the color cream white. And if you guys did not know, I wear a size 7 in men's. So yes, I got off to go there. So let's get into it. This is the box. The box. So you open it like this. Here are the shoes. These are the shoes that I have, which are so cute. I didn't want this color, but this is the shoe that and they fit perfectly. These are used. I didn't buy them new because I didn't want to spend that much money. But look at this. This thing is so cute. They're in great condition. Great. Oh my god. Can y'all just take a look at this beauty of a creation? Like, y'all understand. I've been wanting Yeezys since forever. So I finally got me a pair in a size 7, and I got them off GOAT, and they're beautiful. You also, in your box, you get one of these. So when they authenticate, they punch the hole, whatever. But yeah, these are the shoes, guys, and my shoe collection is finally done. I am officially done with sneakers. Officially done with sneakers, y'all. So yeah, you guys should definitely order from GOAT. I was iffy about ordering from them because for one, I seen a lot of reviews of people getting scammed, and I was scared, but I said, let me just test the waters and see what I get, and I think I did pretty good, and I like the app. So y'all check them out. It's called GOAT. They have an app on the App Store. It's called GOAT, and yeah, so let me know what you think. I am officially done with my shoe collection. I finally got the shoes I actually wanted. I worked so hard for this. So, yeah, leave a comment down below if you ever ordered from GOAT and what shoe did you order from GOAT, and let me know how you feel about GOAT and if you know. But yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Click like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video.